Hello friends, companies accounting learners for CMA students. So please like, share, subscribe. So we are starting with study note number one, accounting of shares and debentures. So first we selected four topics, that is introduction, issue of shares and right issue. So bonus issue. So let us start the introduction part number one. So why companies came into the existence? So because of the two reasons, sole proprietorship and partnership concerns. For the inadequacy of funds and limited liability, to overcome these limitations, to most of the convenient and grew of expansion of business, to require the huge funds of in the joint stock company form of a organization, that is called a company. So that is called joint form of a joint stock company is a the form of a joint company or form of an organization. In India, joint stock companies governed by provisions of Act 1956 in the previous year. So we are amended in 2013. So of for these reasons, inadequacy of funds, unlimited liability of sole proprietorships and concerns and partnership firms, the companies has been came into the existence of a huge funds, unlimited liability, inadequacy of funds. That these reasons companies accounts for form. The meaning of a company. Company is a voluntary of also autonomous association of certain persons with the capital divided into numerous transferable shares formed into the carry of the particular purpose in the common. It is an artificial person created by law. Artificial company is a artificial by person but created by law to achieve the object of form. According to section 2 of 20, a company is defined 2013. We define a company is formed and registered under the Companies Act 2010. Existing company. A existing company means a company is formed and registered under any former Companies Act. That is an abstract person, invisible, intangible, and existing only contemptible by law. Oh, it can hold the purchase of sell, both movable and immovable property incurred by who paid as. Open a bank account in the names of shoes and can be sued in the same manner as an individual. Law creates it and law only can dissolve it. So law can create it and law only can dissolve it. This is the company is a voluntary and association of autonomous association of persons with the capital divided into numerable transferable shares informed to carry out particular business, particular purpose in common. So section 2 of 20 of Defence Companies Act is a company formed and registered under this act. An existing company. A company is formed under the existence of under the Companies Act, under the existing company, and any previous any previous Companies Act or former Companies Act. Only the law can create and law can only can dissolve it. So it can exist in although independent of life its members. So it can exist in all independence of members. So group of, we already discussed the form of a group of companies. So we discuss form of a company. So members may come and go, but company would be go forever. Transferable shares of given in perpetual existence, death, insanity, of insolvency of any member or any will not affected or distinction by the companies. A company is a legal entity, quite distinct, separate persons. Members can come and go. It company can be still forever. A company cannot ordinarily buy its own shares. A shareholder is not an agent of the company. So remember it. A shareholder is not an agent of the company. A company cannot buy its cannot ordinarily buy its own shares. A shareholder he cannot incur any blind of the company. He cannot incur any debt of his bind of company. So shareholder cannot bind the any companies. If a purchase in any company, he cannot bind the shareholders. Shareholders is not responsible for if a company buys a debt. If a company buys a debt, any so we companies he binds if a company buys a debt in form of a debt cannot incur by debt by company's shareholders is shareholder cannot incur shareholder did not responsible for to company if a company buys a debt they cannot bind the companies their acts. So companies same person can be shareholder or creator of the company. Same person or so same person of a shareholder can be direct creditor of the company in some certain cases. The ownership of the management and joint stock company is ownership is divorced. The ownership and divorced from management because of joint stock company managed by board of directors elected by the shareholders, that is called shareholders of the owners of the company, shareholders of the owners of the company. So members can come and go, the companies will be forever. Transferable of shares are given perpetual existence of the company. So shares are permanently stable. uh, in case of death of death, insanity and insolvency of a company, the company go, I will not affect the existing company for members go and all. So company cannot buy ordinarily its own shares. Company cannot ordinarily buy its own shares. Shareholder is not an agent of the company. Remember, a shareholder is not an agent of the company. He is the owner of the company. So because that is the difference we understand. So that is the introduction of the uh, meaning of the companies. So what are the characteristics of the company? A company is the main characteristics of our company are given below. It is a distinction legal person existing of independent member, independent of its member. Liabilities of members is limited to existing the face value shares held by them. So we already limit liability of members is limited to existing face value of shares held by them. It is the perpetual succession. Members may changing from time to time, but does not affect the company's continuity. Shares of a company can be freely transferred except in case of a private limited company. So a company being a so we all familiar that what is private limited company. We read that Companies Act 2013 in the group 1. A company B is a legal person owing and enjoying the disposing of profits of own name. Company is a legal person is capable of owing and enjoying the disposing of property in its own. A company being a separate body can sue its own name. Company is a being a separate body can sue its own name. So the company is artificial person, yet it acts through human beings who are called directors of the company. So we all know the ownership and management are divorced. That means opposite. So in some case ownership is high, sometimes management is low. Sometimes ownership high, management high, so ownership low. That is the divorce between ownership and the management. So voluntary of association of person usually for profit. So this is the only for the form of the company. This is the characteristics of a company. Voluntary association of person usually for a profit. So what are the books maintained by the in the books of companies? That is statutory books are those which are limited company under the statutory obligation maintained by the registered office. So maintained by the registered office. The main statutory books are main statutory books are register of investments of their names, register of the investments and their names. So register of charges, register of members, register of debenture holder, annual returns, minute books, register of contracts, register of debtors, register of shareholders and of directors, register of shareholder of directors, register loans to the company under the same management, and loans registered to the loans to the companies under the same management. So registered of the investment shares of the others company, register of shares in register of investment in the shares of other companies. If one company buys shares from another company, so this is the books maintained and all the books are maintained in the registered office. So this is the statutory books maintained by the company. in a limited body, statutory books is must and should maintain with statutory books. What are they? Once again, register of names, register of charges, register of members, register of debenture holder, annual returns, minutes book, register of contracts, register of directors, register of shareholdings of the directors, register of loans of the companies under the same management, register of investment and in the shares of other company, register of investment in the shares of other company. Please hopefully understand the statutory books. What are they? So moving to the next slide. So what are the books maintained by the company? So every company is required to keep the register of his books of accounts. So we already mentioned what are the books in the of previous slide. So your books of accounts is what why maintain the sum of received, payable, expenditure and everything here. Receipts and expenditure is taken place. All sales and purchase of goods of the company. All assets and liabilities of the company. So these books maintained on the registered office of account. To must be disclosed. This must be disclosed on the books of register of the companies. So, so we all know what are the long-term sources of finance. First, issue of shares, debentures, loans. So, what are the main why company is expansion? Because lack of huge funds, inadequacy of funds. So, what is that is the reason of we found the long-term sources of finance of a company. So, we issue of shares, debentures, loans, plugging of profits. So issue of shares is divided into two types, that is equity shares and preference shares. So equity is divided into initial public offers, that is IPO, right issue, and employee stock option plan. So employee stock option, employee stock option of stock and employee stock option. This is the issue of shares, long-term source of finance of a company. If every company is registered under the section 2 of 20, registered of companies under any previous act law. A company is registered under any previous companies act. Any previous companies act. So we finish the introduction part. So we finish the introduction part in the first basics of the company's accounts of debentures, shares, issue of shares and debentures in study note number 1. So we finish the introduction part topic. So please like, share, subscribe for my channel.